What if, in the blink of an eye, everything you depend on just stopped? No, this isn't a sci fi movie. It's the real risk we face. EMPs, electromagnetic pulses, are not just in dystopian novels anymore. Solar flare, rogue weapon, geopolitical chaos. One surge and poof, your tech is toast. If you rely on this little guy for everything navigation, communication, storing memories you need to watch this. Today, we're building a Faraday cage. Not just any box, but an invisible fortress for your electronics. Peace of mind, built by you. First, let's talk materials. You don't need a PhD or a fat wallet, just a metal container, like this trash can, aluminum foil, some heavy-duty tape, and a little elbow grease. A Faraday cage works by redirecting electromagnetic fields around what's inside, instead of letting them fry your gadgets. Think of it as a force field, but for tech. Start by insulating the interior. Rubber mat, cardboard, anything non-conductive. This keeps your devices from touching the metal. Double up on your layers if you're extra paranoid. Every seam, every edge. Seal it tight with conductive tape. This is where EMPs love to sneak in. Ready for the fun part? Let's test it. Drop your phone inside, shut the lid, and call it. No signal. That's proof your digital lifeline is safe. You can make mini versions for flash drives or radios. Protect what matters most. Backup drives, medical devices, emergency radios. Don't wait for disaster to decide. Remember, a Faraday cage is only as good as its weakest point. Check it, maintain it, upgrade when you can. The world's unpredictable, but your preparedness doesn't have to be. Build your Faraday cage today, and while you're at it, check out our other survival guides to keep you 2 steps ahead. Shield your tech, secure your future. Because when the lights go out, you'll be the one who's ready. Subscribe for more DIY survival. Your future self will thank you.